Learning a new skill often begins with frustration and a sense of being stuck. Many learners experience the feeling of running in circles without making progress. These common pitfalls can hinder efficient skill acquisition. A clear roadmap is essential to avoid these frustrations. Having a structured plan enables more effective learning. Efficient skill acquisition relies on a well-defined learning strategy. Skill acquisition can be accelerated through a structured, step-by-step approach. The initial step involves setting clear, specific, and measurable learning goals. Identifying and utilizing key resources is crucial for efficient learning. Consistent practice, combined with seeking and applying feedback, enhances skill mastery. The video concludes with a direct call to action. Viewers are encouraged to subscribe to the Konettglobal TV YouTube channel. Subscribing provides access to more videos. Additional resources are available to support learning. The channel aims to facilitate ongoing skill development